Hi, I'm Samantha Sammis. In 2012, I moved to the east side of Charleston where I founded Laundry Matters and Loving America Street. We focus on asset-based community development, specifically in the east side neighborhood. Lots of folks don't have washers and dryers, and so by preserving the space, we're not only preserving an asset, a service, and a necessary business, but we also use this space as a safe gathering space for neighbors. We employ local residents, we do Bible study, computer classes, we give away food pantry items, toiletries, school supplies, and just generally preserve it as a necessary space for the community. Starting a nonprofit is not easy by any means. I didn't go to school for it, I have no training in it, but it's fun, it's unpredictable, it's chaotic, and that's where I personally thrive, and that's what I really enjoy about it. So simply my work in the nonprofit world for 7 years is what made me want to pursue counseling, because that's really what I've been doing anyways. When people come into the laundromat or they come into my home, when we have Bible study, it's ultimately all forms of counseling, and so I was like, oh, maybe I should actually get trained in this. So the academic part of the program was certainly new, and it was cool to learn like different theories and things, but actually practicing counseling and listening and being a therapeutic presence is something that I just naturally feel really comfortable with, and I'm really excited about, so I'm glad that I found a program that worked for me in that way. Loving people is messy. It's gonna be weird, it's gonna be uncomfortable, and you're gonna wanna get out of it. But at the end of the day, like, loving people well is really transformative and important.